How to clean the milk system of your EQ 500 Integral. Do you love a good latte macchiato, cappuccino or flat white? To ensure consistent high quality, you should manually clean the milk system regularly. Remove the milk container, clean it and dry it thoroughly. Slide the outlet system right down. Pull the cover forwards and remove the milk system by pulling it straight towards you. Take the top and bottom sections of the milk system apart. Detach the tube from the suction pipe and clean everything with washing up liquid and a soft cloth. Rinse all of the components with clean water and leave to dry. Put the top and bottom section of the milk system back together. Put the milk system back in the appliance and replace the cover. Then slide the outlet system all the way up. Then you know what? Have a cappuccino. You deserve it.
Siemens, the future moving in.